Hello everyone, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about preparation of hydrogen gas. In the previous class we had discussed about preparation of hydrogen gas through the laboratory method. But today we will discuss about preparation of hydrogen gas by the displacement reaction. And in displacement reaction there are first type of displacement is displacement of hydrogen from water displacement of hydrogen from water. First, we have to understand which type of metal can displace hydrogen gas from water. Then active metal that means reactive metal. Active metal that means reactive metal, which reactivity is maximum. Then hydrogen is called active metal. React with water H2O to form a new compound and liberate hydrogen gas. Hydrogen is a gas, so we will use the sign of arrow in upward direction. Active metal may be sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, zinc, Zn, iron, aluminium, etc. These are the most important active metal which can react with water, liberate hydrogen gas, and this reaction is called displacement of hydrogen from water. But all active metals cannot react with cold water. Some of these active metals react only with cold water, and some of these react only with hot water, and some of these react only with steam water and form different types of compound along with hydrogen gas. Here active metal sodium, potassium, calcium and magnesium. Sodium, potassium and calcium react with cold water to form corresponding metal hydroxide and liberate hydrogen gas H2. First, when sodium react with cold water, that means H2O, which is cold water, it will form metal hydroxide. Here metal is sodium, hydroxide means OH carry -1 charge, sodium carry +1 charge, and cross multiply their charge, we will get NaOH, which is a metal hydroxide, and its chemical name is sodium hydroxide and liberate hydrogen gas. Now balance the chemical reaction. Here sodium is 1, but hydrogen 2 plus 1 3, and here 2. So multiply by 2, you will get 4 hydrogen on the reactant side, and when multiply by 2 in NaOH, 2 ones are 2 plus 2, 4 hydrogen on product side. and oxygen is 2, here 2, so sodium becomes 2. Now multiply by 2 in sodium. This is the balanced chemical equation to formation of hydrogen gas by the displacement of hydrogen from water. Now another example, potassium can react with cold water to form KOH, potassium hydroxide plus H2. KOH, potassium hydroxide plus H2. Similarly, calcium react with cold water to form CaOH whole twice. OH minus 1, Ca plus 2. So cross multiply their charge, you will get the correct formula of calcium hydroxide CaOH whole twice, which is also known as slacked line, and liberate hydrogen gas. So it is clear that sodium, potassium and calcium, which is a more active metal, react with cold water to form metal hydroxide, that means NaOH, KOH and CaOH whole twice with hydrogen gas. Now some active metal react only hot water, like as magnesium, Mg. Magnesium only react with hot water, and form MgOH whole twice and liberate hydrogen gas. Now balance the chemical reaction. Here 2 plus 2, 4 hydrogen, but on the reactant side only 2 hydrogen are present, so multiply by 2 in water molecule, you will get 4 hydrogen on reactant side and 4 hydrogen on product side. So this is the balanced chemical equation by which we can prepare hydrogen gas by the displacement of hydrogen through the water. Now we will discuss about those active metals which can react only with steam water or only steam. Some active metal like as zinc, iron and aluminium only react with steam water and form metal oxide with hydrogen gas. Metal oxide with hydrogen gas. First, zinc react with steam. Formula remains same. Hot water, cold water and steam water. React with steam, it will form metal oxide. Here metal is zinc, oxide, oxygen, zinc plus 2, oxygen minus 2. Its simpler ratio becomes 1:1. Now cross multiply. Its simpler ratio you will get zinc oxide, which is a metal oxide, and liberate hydrogen gas. Now see the reaction and balance the atom of each element on both sides. Zinc is 1, water 2, oxygen is 1, oxygen is 1. So this is the balanced chemical equation. Now reaction of iron with steam water, Fe. Symbol of iron is Fe. React with steam water H2O, it will form Fe2O3 plus H2. This oxide is known as ferric oxide. Fe2O3. Ferric oxide Fe2O3. Now aluminium react with steam water. Steam water, symbol of aluminium is here. steam water, that is H2O, which is a steam form. It will form aluminium oxide, aluminium air oxide O. Valency of oxygen is -2 and valency of aluminium is +3. Now cross multiply their valency, you will get Al2O3, which is a chemical formula of aluminium oxide. Chemical formula of aluminium oxide Al2O3. Al2O3, aluminium oxide and liberate hydrogen gas. So these are the chemical reaction to displace hydrogen gas from water. That's all for today. Thank you very much.